Every journey begins with a vision, built right here in Australia. In 1999, Star Aluminium was founded by Jakub Akkus, starting as a local ladder repair workshop right here in Melbourne, built on hands-on skills, hard work, and committed to doing things properly. In 2002, the next chapter begins with a new generation stepping in. The business involved expanding beyond repairs into engineered solutions built for the industries. Year by year, project by project, Star Aluminium grew into a trusted name in the work safety solutions and custom metal fabrications.
Ali Aiden from Star Aluminium and Steel Welding.
Really appreciate this, thank you very much. Everyone's champions here anyways, thank you.
Today, Star Aluminium is more than a manufacturer. We are leaders in the engineered access and work safety solutions, trusted across Australia and beyond. Our solutions support industries where safety is critical, from transport, aviation, mining, and major projects, and much more. From a small repair workshop to a national global presence, our strength comes from experience, position, and culture built over the generations. For 27 years, Star Aluminium has been building more than platforms. We've been building safer workplaces engineered for the future.